Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm using a spoon to press a little cavity into the cookie dough. Now, if I was going to do this again, what I would tell you is um, do these depressions before you actually do the cookie cutter because it did cause my already cut cookies to spread just a little bit. After you've baked your cookies, you're going to put some sprinkles, whatever color, down into the little depressed cavity. And now for the fun part. We get to break the cookie in half and let all the sprinkles fall out. This is a really cute thing, like for a gender reveal or just for something fun to do. Put some Easter sprinkles in there or, Valentine or St. Patrick's Day or whatever.